We gotta get going, Jordan. We should go up and check out and see if that's working anyway. Whoa, it's almost there. Come on, we gotta launch. Did you put yours in your reserve pouch? Okay. Let's go check out the eclipse from the air. Okay, go for it, super kid. Lift, 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 and go for it. Hands up. There you go. Hands up. Let her fly, let her fly. Let her fly. There you go. Beautiful job, Super Jordan. Hoorah! That's a tricky launch. Eclipse is coming, and ooh, we almost got a full eclipse. I gotta get up there. Flying in an eclipse, baby. Whoa. All right, Jordan, come on over. Almost the total eclipse here. Let me link up with my Super Jordan. And this is what it looks like flying in an eclipse. Wow, it's definitely getting darker. This is pretty bizarre. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, wow, I can see it even with my eyes. That was bad. Wow, that's pretty cool. Eclipse. It's getting darker. There we go. Flying in the eclipse. Middle of the day, 90-degree temperatures, close to 100. With my son, Super Jordan. Set the world record at age 10. Super Jordan's been flying since he was 10 years old. The previous world record was set by a 14-year-old girl, Savannah, at age 14. That's Jordan's sister. So Jordan took the world record from his sister, but his sister still holds the record for being the youngest female pilot in history. Pretty incredible. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at that eclipse there. Gotta put on my glasses. Whoa, it's almost there. That's really close. Oh, I think that's as close as it's gonna get. So now it's moving away. That's pretty cool. You can see it's definitely dark out. I mean, it's in the middle of the day, and it's a lot darker than it normally is. It's a little bit cold, actually. It's really cold. Normally, we'd be warm as can be. So I think the eclipse has really killed the warmth by a lot. Hadn't thought about that. It's cold. And we're not that high. It should be like 80 degrees right here. But it's only maybe 59, 60. They should start going up here as we get going. Now I'm going to get an eclipse of Super Jordan. Super Jordan, total eclipse. There, whoa, that's bright. Whoa, don't look at the sun. Whoa, okie dokie. Oh wow, you can definitely see the eclipse just for a glimpse when it crosses by, but then it's too bright to look at. Probably burning my eyeballs. Man, there is not a stitch of wind, no thermic activity, nothing. Wow. Where did Jordan go? Gotta keep an eye on your flying buddy. Wow, this climbs like a son of a gun. When you got nothing. That means I usually get a lot of sink in different places before I get lift. Doesn't usually climb this well. But you know the motor's crazy powerful because the flat top's world record setting. But if you're climbing in sinking air or katabatic flow, where you have cold air coming down a mountain, then you're trying to climb through sinking air, and it takes a lot more power. Man, it's really cold. It should not be cold here at all. But when that sun blocks out or the moon blocks out the sun, it's definitely cold. Super Jordan hanging out lower there while I check out the top. He's wearing shorts and a t-shirt, so he doesn't want to freeze his butt off. Wow, there's not a stitch of wind. Yee-hoo! Who wants a ride? Woo! Guys probably want some solar glasses. Let's give them some solar glasses. Let's see. Man, I'm hauling butt. There's no wind whatsoever. Yee-hoo! Man, where's that wind? That does not look like a good place to launch from with all that scraggly oak shrub stuff. I don't perceive any wind at all, so it allows you to fly around the trees and around the hills without having to worry about rotor or anything. There's a little wind coming from that right side. If got a little bit more, I could probably set down light as a feather. Oh, I am hauling booty. And that does not look like a smooth launch. Yee-hoo! I'm still going way fast. As you would expect up here at like 10,000, well, it's probably 9,000 or so. That's a pretty lumpy place to land. So I'm gonna have to not sit down on that one. Don't want to land at those crazy speeds. Okay, Super Jordan, where you at? Ah, okay, I see it. All right, here I come. I'm coming. You want to just hang out and wait for me? Woohoo! Yeehaw! Whoa! There's the hill. Whoa! And there's the hill. Whoa! There's a tree. Whoa! And look at that. Woo! Whoa, there's a big old buck boogieing. Holy cow, look at that buck. Yo, I'm upside down. Yeehaw! Now that's the way to come down a mountain. I should have offered to bring one of those guys down for $1,000. Who needs a ride? Okay, trim's up. I'll go catch my little buddy. If I can find him. Where you at, little buddy? I lost you. Say that again. Oh, there you are. Okay, I see it. Gotcha. All right, you want to head towards that peak there? And I'll meet up with you. Drop down to my little buddy here. Now, normally you don't do maneuvers with your trims up. You can, but you've got less stability because you have a lower angle of attack. You got about 1/3 of a tank. You want to trims up and go for it. Super Jordan flying the flat top Ninja. And he's got the extra small Dominator. And I'm flying the flat top Ninja Ultimate model. And then I'm flying a small. Super Jordan's about 140 pounds. I weigh about a little over 180. 187 today. Got to go back on my diet. So with two glider sizes different, I'm even still I'm a little faster than he is. So you just pull about 1 inch of trim, and you just use the trims so that you can match speeds almost perfectly. And so I can hang out with my little buddy, and we're about the same speed. And then you can always add brakes or whatever to make up any, you know, finishing touches. Right now we're both flying with no hands. And his trims are up, and I have about 1 inch of trim, so we're pretty close. I'm just a touch faster because the weight is quite a bit different. So 20 pounds per glider size, but I got 50 pounds or 47 pounds on it. So that's just about right. Go for it. Super Jordan. Yee-hoo! There he goes. Yo! Upside down he goes. That's my boy with the super skills on the world's safest, highest performance glider. And world's safest paramotor. Don't fly anything but a flat top. It's that simple. If I shared any tip at all from all of my years of experience, the most valuable tip I could give you that would make the biggest impact on your safety is to fly a flat top paramotor. I'll have to do a whole video series as to specifically why, because there's hundreds of details. Okay, here we go. So to figure out which way the wind's going, you fly around in a circle and try and figure out which way you go the slowest. And then once you figure out which way you go the slowest, then that's the direction you land, because you obviously want to land as slow as possible. Alrighty, I'm a little crosswind right now. I'm going to set up a foot drag, and then I'm just going to slide it to a stop. So the speed doesn't really matter. There's my foot drag, and slide it to a stop. And then try and run into the wind if there is any at all. And bingo, down the wing comes. And I was sort of into the wind. Doesn't matter too much when you get the super skills. You don't learn how to land at any other training place because they don't let you develop those skills. But at super training, you really learn like every little detail and practice it hundreds of times. I mean, people have literally gotten over 400 flights of experience just in the 10 days of super training. I mean, think of that. That's more flights than most of the people out there acting as instructors. They don't have anywhere near that many flights of experience. Where at super training, we don't put out newbies. We're shooting for beyond expert level. So you really master the skills properly and have every little detail so you know exactly how to do it and have the skill and reflexes to make it happen. Get the feet sliding, and boom, run it to a stop. So you could have slid a little farther. Bingo! Super Jordan! Should have kept running. As soon as you land, you want to take off running so you can make the glider fall behind you. Okie dokie. Was that awesome or what, Super Jordan? That was cool. We flew in an eclipse. How many people in the world did that? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. That was awesome. Super Jordan. To do a no-wind, high-altitude launch, you have to have just about every detail perfect. Probably about at least 90% has to be spot on, or it just doesn't happen. So it's all about having the super skills. Super Jordan, that's my boy. Coolest pilot ever. Bingo. Let's tag it and bag it. Love my son. We flew in an eclipse. That was awesome. Where's your goggles? Let's check out the, see where it's at, if there's anything left. Oh, there's a little left too. It's still eclipsing. So it's at about 25%. That's pretty cool. Here, check it out.